Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we will learn about Python variable. So Python variable, a variable is the name given to a memory location. A value holding Python variable is also known as an identifier. So Python variable is also known as identifier, and Python variable we can understand in the way like as at our home there is some container to store ingredients like rice, flour, etc, etc. In the same way, in Python, there is a variable one thing that is used to store a memory, to assign a memory location. There will be a store a value. So in Python is an infer language that is smart enough to determine the type of variable. We do not need to specify its type in Python. So in Python, there is a one advantages for us that we do not need to specify the type of Python without declaring the type. We can just directly assign the any value. So let's understand the code that how it is actually working, right? So like in this example, you can understand there's a is equal to 50, and in the same way, b is storing the value of a. When we are printing the IDs of a and b, then you can see that the output is the similar, like 14073 blah blah blah. Both the things are same, but when again we are printing the is equal to 500, then you can check that now the memory location has been changed. So let's understand it on Visual Studio Code. Okay, so for that first we will create one file that is a variable dot py. Okay, so in this example how we will understand, right? Uh, First we will declare a is equal to 50 and b is equal to a. So I have first store 50 on a, then again I'm storing the value of a to b. So I just need to check the memory location or memory address. We can say that what is the address of a and b. To understand that, we will just simply print id of a, then again print id of b. And now we will save the program as we are using Visual Studio Code. So here we will have to always save to run before running the program. So we will run it again. Yeah, so now you can check here that there is the what is the value 140714335588312. You can check that both are the same. Okay, both IDs are coming same. So in this way Python variable is working. Okay, so let's come to another things, which is identifier naming. So here is the some things which we need to understand very clearly, like the variable's first character must be an underscore or alphabet. So these are some terms and conditions of identifier, that there should be start from the underscore or alphabet. And again there is a set of lowercase a to z, capitalized A to Z, highlight or digit 0 to 9. Here we cannot use special characters, which is exclamation mark, at the rate, hashtag, percentile, etc. Names of identifiers. Names of identifiers are case sensitive. For instance, find name and my name is not something very similar. So there is examples of valid identifiers and invalid identifiers. We can understand. So in valid identifiers, you can see that there is a A123 underscore n underscore 9, etc. So these are the valid identifiers. And what are the invalid identifiers? 1a and percentile 4 and 9, etc. These are the invalid identifier. So let's understand it again with the code. So like you can see that if suppose that you are writing any long program in Python, then you will have no need to write again and again particular name, age and marks, right? Because it's a 4 to 5 line code, so we can easily write. But when we are writing any program like 100 or 200 lines of code, there it will be very tough to just write down again and again the same name, age and marks, right? So to store that will help on that. Okay, then now understand it again. Okay, so let me again write this program. So suppose that there's a one name. In name I'm storing the value Akash. And what is the age of Akash? So age is a 22. And what is the marks obtained in their educations? So marks is like 89. Okay, now I need to print it. So here we will print. First we will print name. So we just need to only access these things. And in the same way, print name, print age. So here we will change age. Then in the last, print marks. Okay, now we will save the program and we'll see. So here is the example of Akash is 2289. So in this way the Python variable is properly working. So how was the video? So please thumbs up and do your valuable comment if you really liked it, and share this video with your friends and family to spread awareness. Thank you. Have a good day.